Monday, 19th April 2021. Market is gap down. We have 10 more seconds for the market to open. Minus 3.08% gap down. That's like a crazy gap down. Now it's going to open any second. There it is. Okay, it's going down. And the P is obviously shot up. Let's see if we find a pattern here. It's broken on levels. My God. 30,500. Let me see. 30,500 or 600. Okay, that's not searching. All right, there it is. And 30,700 would do. 1,700. Obviously, when there is a huge gap down, I'll have to be extremely careful. The numbers will be reacting. There's a huge, massive gap down, and it's continue to drop down from there. So we have to take maximum precaution. Okay, and I have to buy this. Okay. 30,700 at 30,800. Let's see how this goes. On the 5-minute, it is obviously a big, huge, massive drop down, and then it's starting to recover that. Let's see. It's recovered a long way. It's pushed back up a long way. So let's see what the next candle says. If I have a clear sign that of red, so maybe I'll try to get in here at 30,900. Okay, 30,900 PE is what I'm seeing right now. Oh, come on, don't hang up on me now. All right, okay. Wow, Zerodha is acting funny. Other people want to join the fund right now, but then when this doesn't update, it's really sad. Okay, there you go. If if it continues to go down, we are in it. What aftermarket order? What are you saying? Intraday? Oh shoot, that's bad. Okay. Is it expected to go down? It's in a range right now, so my aftermarket order got cancelled for some reason, and obviously the market is open, so it's not obviously aftermarket. Show me a flag pattern, and I'm in it. Okay, let's see how that goes. See, although I'm in PE and then the market is trying to push down, still it is showing a big, huge loss, So there are people trying to push it up, telling that there's no confidence in letting it go down anymore. That's why it's really difficult for it to push down. And when people gain confidence, all of a sudden you see these numbers popping up like crazy. So I'm going to just be ready to exit in case this starts to show up, because if the volatility is too high, then I'm not going to get anything out of this. So I have to be careful. All right. Now 9:19, my first trade gets over. with PE. Right, as you see, as soon as I exit, we are getting that green, huge green candle. I would have exited with a big loss right over there. Right, so we are at 30,600. Let's just take a new position. 30,600 PE right here. Let me see if we can get some good strength there. Okay. No, not yet confirmed. I'll tell you why. Because the previous candle had a good buying, so I'm not going to risk it right now until probably it crosses this level with good strength. Mark this pink, and then maybe I might find a trade. Till then, I'll have to be patient. I'll have to wait and see if this is going to take any particular direction yet. And if it's going to go up, is it going to go back to where it is started? Now, this is an important level. Let's see how Nifty 50 is doing. Okay, it is almost reached an important level, the lowest of last few days, obviously. So this might continue to go down even more from here if there is no proper buying. And I see opportunity even in Nifty 50. If this doesn't hold well, then we might expect a new low, all-time low. So we'll come back to that in a while. Okay, this is a good sign. This again, people are selling, like strong selling is found. 3,600. If this is again just a little out of the money, in case this goes reverse on me, it's going to eat up all of my profit. So I will probably go for 3,700. Yeah, this one. Just like that. Let's see. No, I don't see good strength in this. So probably we can expect the market to go up a little bit and maybe take shape again somewhere over here, and then probably it might go down again. I usually like the small flags like this one, or just a tiny one, but a huge flag can sometimes it'll just turn against you and go the other direction. So let's not take that risk. And it's still flat, we are trying to go up, it's not successful. Then if it probably crosses this level, even this level for that matter, then we might have a strong selling. I might be interested to go in there. But as of now, there is obviously no trade. I'm not going to hold on to any of this, although this might be going to take a plunge from right above. So people are buying this at a new low. That's why we are seeing the green candles right now. And let's see if it continues to drop. There's a good pushing down, then we might expect it to go to a new low. Apparently HDFC and ICICI have earned well, so we can expect it to show a little bit of interest in bank for it to move up a little bit. But then this is devastating. This is going down really bad. So probably because of the virus scare. Not sure. Okay, let me keep that ready. If I find an opportunity, I go in and quickly go out. Okay, that looks good. Can it cross the low of day? Can I expect it to cross the low of day? So you see a lot of sellers are sitting right here telling that it's never going to come down to that level. They don't want it to go down as easy. So you can expect, obviously, it's a huge gap down. Nobody would think that it will gap down that low. So a lot of sellers are sitting right there and telling that I don't think people are going to buy here, or the market is going to come down here. They are trying to run right now. They are trying to save this spot. They might be already in a huge loss already. So this is, yeah, this is a very tight position for them. And if it continues to go down, they will have to book their losses, and again it'll continue to plunge down even more faster than ever before. So I'm waiting for it to cross this, 3627 level, and if it has that strength to cross that in a good strength, good nice red candle, then probably we can expect it to go. I like this market to take shape a little bit. Clearly the 9 EMA is just catching up right now. 21 is still far away, so let's see. We can expect it to go all the way till 9 EMA, say hi to it and then go down from there. One trade over. Thankfully, we ended up in profit and we exited at the right time. If I had it held, then for sure it would have been a very decent loss. No doubt about it. 700, right? Okay. I'm gonna wait. And if I don't find a proper setup, then I might even call it a day. But this is just one trade. Come on, give me one more opportunity. Can I expect it to come back down, cover up, you know, from where it went down to the lowest? Can I expect it to go back down? Let's see how many points it's gone down so far. Around, wow, 400. That's insane. My goodness, 4%. It has gone down. This is scary. Let's see if it tries to go up. If it tries to go up, then we're just going to wait. If not, if it tries to come back, for sure, I am expecting it to come back and cross this level at least. And if it crosses this level with good strength, then we can expect it to go even more lower. Let's see how the 5 minute looks like. Wow, you have anything nearby. The last low that it found was around, what was this, 14, 12th April, right? And now we're seeing it pushing down. I'm thinking I'll not edit any of this. I'll just hold on so that people, or maybe I can know how patient we have to be to really, take position again, or how boring sometimes it can get. So I don't want to um, sort of cut it out, trim it, and then tell, hey, you know what, this is what I did again. I don't know that. This is live market. You have the time right here. You can see it. It's 15 minutes now. We are in the trade, and it's fun, especially when it's gap up, huge gap up, or huge gap down. Okay, now we are having one nice red candle. Can I have a position here? Right, 700, huh? Chal bhai, show me something. See, it came nearby. Maybe it'll just go a little more higher and say hi, and then we might we can expect it to, retrace down or go down a little bit. I wouldn't call it retracement. uh, let's see. Oh wow, okay, you have to be ready in case for it to show down some good strength. There we go. Come on. Good one, good one, good one. There is that flag pattern that I was looking for, and I have to be ready. Very good. Beautiful. Right? I have reached my spot and then I have exited. Let it take shape again. I'm not in a hurry because it might try to go back up again or something. I don't know. I don't want to risk it. So क्या करना है? See, obviously people will not let it go down so easily. There is a lot of sellers right down here, and then it's going to push up again. So I'm going to wait until it takes a new shape, or if it continues to go down comfortably, let me observe this candle and then probably take a call. Right here it is. We are at 30s. I don't want to take the same instrument. Okay, I'll just have 3600 PE ready. That was our second trade that we have taken. It is tried to cross, not exactly cross the same level. So let's see if it tries to push down again with good strength. If it does, then we might have a trade. Okay. Let me go back up, huh? Okay, you go down. I have no problem in you going down, but I need you to give me some pattern, and then probably I'll take a call. Second trade at 9:31. 9:31. I maintain a journal. I write down usually how many trades I took, at what time, how many lots, how many lots, and what was my mind thinking when I take that trade. Oh, see, as expected, it's not going to let go so easily. And this is the second time it's going to attempt to go down. I'm happy I exited that trade without waiting because the losses would have been showing really, really fast. So that's a good news for me. Let's see. There is still no sign of price action. This is obviously clearly a flat range market. Until this range breaks, then till then we don't have any trade. We don't have any strong trade. So I'll have to be really, really patient, which shows some good strength towards downside and crosses this pink line. Probably I might have a trade right there. Let's see. And I might exit right here because this is the low in the last few days. So it might have a bit of a fight right there. People would have sold this particular position or this particular position. They would have sold it. PE they would have sold. So they will want to save that position at any cost. But since it's a huge gap one, we don't know. Okay, we have 3600, huh? Nice. 3600. Okay. Let's hope it crosses 3600. Then I might have a trade. I'll have to be really careful. I'll have to be really, really careful because I'm really scared of this level. I don't know if many sellers would have been, you know, expecting the market not to come down this low. So I am not sure if I want to really risk it. But this looks very tempting. I might even go till this level and exit as soon as there is a reaction seen. Cross the previous two levels. I might have a chance. I will decide if the next candle gaps down or something, then I might actually go in for it. But this is scary, so I think I'll go with one lot. Is it gonna cross? Oh yeah, very nice. So if this candle goes up, then I might have to buy it at wherever it is. Okay, it has crossed that level. Let me buy it right now. Let's see how much this goes down. Okay, already showing minus. There it is, already showing a big minus. This is not a good sign, because obviously this was the low of the day, and if it doesn't show me good strength, then I might just take this money out and exit from there. If it is, then I'll hold. Very good. Nice. Nice. But you see, the numbers aren't changing that quickly. That means there is a strong buy up as well. Okay, it reached my point. I exited. This was my target, right? I exited right there. Ended up with 772 rupees. That's great, right? Third trade done by 9:36. Nifty, one lot. Okay, now obviously it's going to fight a little bit. It might go up a little bit, and then it might continue to go down, or from here we can expect it to also go back up. And if it probably crosses this level, then we might have a trade. But if it plays within 3700 and 30, or 3500, if it plays within this range, I'll call it a day. I'm not going to trade anymore. But three trades done, and I have a very good profit already. So I'm not sure if I want to risk that profit right now. There's already a very good profit, so I'm not sure if I want to risk it at all. With the money that I have, spent, my percentages, I like it. This is decent, for two lots, and there is one lot here, so quite a decent earning. Now I will purely take a trade only if I see a very good pattern. I see good strength in selling, then maybe yes. If not, this I like the short flags. If it continues to push down, then people are like really pushing it down. So we have, again, I'll have to take the same trade. I'll have to go for 3500 maybe. Yes, I'll look for that instrument. 3500 PE. It is. Are you showing me a flag pattern, my friend? You guys let me know if you want me to talk in Hindi, Urdu, English. I'm comfortable talking in Hindi as well. I can mix Hindi and English as well if you want me to. It's okay. But let me know in comments if at all you're watching any of my videos and you find them interesting and you want to learn a little bit more. I'm not a professional. I am not a certified SEBI certified guy who can tell you what to do, what not to do. Obviously, these things are very risky, and I'm not sure if everybody should be in it or not. Okay, that's a flag pattern, my friend. That's a good flag pattern. Come on, show me some money. Very nice. And numbers are not changing very fast. That means I'm not very confident. I'm not very confident. When the numbers don't change very fast, then I'm not confident people are trying to push it back up again. So I'm not willing to take that trade. I don't want to be in that trade for too long. It might shoot up. I have caught up in those things. So now time is 9:40. Fourth trade done. Bank Nifty. It's one lot. Oh, it's a crazy fall. Okay, this is the new low, by the way. This is going to go to the new low. Now I don't have any marking. I don't have any low bottom. So I'm not sure how low this will go. I'm not sure, and I don't want to chase it. I don't want to chase it unless it gives me a flag pattern. Says okay, fine. It goes back. It respects the 9 EMA. It says hi bye to it, and then it goes back down, crossing this level again. Probably yes, but right now I don't see a trade. I don't see why I have to hold on to any position. Sometimes buyers will come and say, hey, this is a new low. Let me start buying from here. And it might just shoot up from here. You'll never know. Let's see how the rest of the markets are doing today. Okay, everybody's down. That's pretty bad. Now that's a nice fall. Under normal circumstances, what I would do, I would say, okay, let me buy this. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. I'm gonna buy this right here. One lot, two lot. Let me just go and punch in orders. But then what happens? All of a sudden, it starts to scare you. It eats away all your profit, and then you say, "Oh my God, I will take one more lot with more money involved." And then what happens? It shoots back again, and you end up with a bigger loss. So right now, what I have is what I would like to thank the market. I'll take that. I'll save it until it shows me a clear sign, a pattern. Then I'll get in. Understanding how much risk is there. If it shows me a clear pattern. Imagine if I would have chased this, I would have said, oh my God, it's crossed this level. Now I'm going to chase it. I'm going to follow this all the way through. There you go. I would have got scared here. All my profit would have gone for a toss right there. By now, I would have been in minus. If I would have taken two or three lots. So I'm not doing that. But I like this. I like this pattern. I like this flag. I like the small flags. Two candle flags. I like those. If it continues like this in a flag pattern, then definitely not. So let's mark this. It's the new low of the day. In fact, it is the new low in the last few days, right? What was the low? 14. That is 12th of April. Right. So I don't want to mark this, but just as a reference point, saying that okay, previously it has gone to that low. That was long time ago. So when was this? This was January. So obviously I don't want to consider that, but then it's just a reference point, and then it has been to this point a few months back, 2 months back actually. So go back to 5 minute. Let me see what's the status right here. Okay, it looks like it's made a flag pattern and it wants to go down. Can I get a confirmation? Should I be in a trade? Okay, I'm gonna risk this one again. Let's go back to the. I don't usually like to take the same instrument again. I have used 3,500 and I have made 700 bucks out of it. Do I see a flag? I normally would be excited like, okay, it's gonna go down. I'm gonna take 4 lots right now. But no, man, I have learned enough. I have burned my fingers a lot in that, so until I don't see a confirmation, I'm not in, and I'm going to only trade with one lot now, very clearly. That I'm very sure. I might see. I've already reached my target, so I'm already happy, very happy with it. So if it happens to cross, well and good. If not, no problemo. But this would be my last trade, and if I'm getting just 100, 200 bucks out of it, definitely not worth it, because 70, 51 rupees I have to give for my broker. So it's no point chasing this. How does it look? Is price action going to give me money today? So far so good. Okay, we have crossed. I should be in plus already. Very good. Dropping, dropping. I look at the candle. How does it go? Nope. Bad news, bad news, bad news, bad news. How much? Plus 58 rupees. Although I exited sooner than I needed to be, but then I don't want to be in a trade where the candle doesn't show good stuff, good strength. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure if it's going to go down further. Hence, I have finished my final trade at 9:46 a.m. 9 9:46. Bank Nifty, one lot. There you go. Backed up with a green candle. I'm happy to exit with just even, with only paying brokerage cost 58 rupees profit. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys got to know how I'm trading. Let me know if you want me to improvise. Let me know if you want me to add something, delete something. Don't like the way I speak. Let me know whatever it is. I will probably make it better. Thanks for watching.